Good morning to all of you. Okay, then now you see please, we are having a next one is a reaction with the chloroform. A reaction with chloroform, or we can write carbyl amine reaction. What is it? Carbyl amine reaction, or it is called isocyanide test, or it is called isocyanide test. Okay, so when we are going to start with this reaction, you see all of you, this is one of the very important reaction. Okay student, now you see please, let it be, this is a amine with the RNH2. okay, then this is called chloroform CHCl3 plus KOH. We have to take alcoholic and then vomit. Okay, then beta there will be a formation of isocyanide. What we are going to do there is a 3KCl 3KOH, so that is why in the product we should remove 3KCl. okay, and the product will be RNC isocyanide plus 3KCl then plus 3H2O, and student, this is called alkyl isocyanide. What do you call it? Alkyl isocyanide. This is with the primary amine, and I will tell you secondary tertiary amine will not give this test. Secondary and the tertiary amine will not give this test. This test can be used to distinguish between primary, secondary and the tertiary amine. Clear? Secondary and the tertiary amine is not going to give this test. Clear? That is why this test can be used to distinguish between primary, secondary and the tertiary amine. Clear students? Okay, then after that beta we are having a next is a reaction with the nitrous acid. Reaction with the with nitrous acid, and this is also called HNO2. What do you call it? HNO2. Clear? Now what to do there in the HNO2 beta? We have to give its reaction with the primary amine, then with the secondary amine, and then with the tertiary amine. And this is also one of the tests to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Number one is here for the primary amine. Okay, there is RNH2 plus HNO2. Now what to do there beta? Here in the presence of NaNO2 and HCl, NaNO2 and the HCl. बटा in this case, ठीक है, हमारे पास अब क्या बनेगा? यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है मैंने? HNO2 लिखा है बेटा, and along with that, now you see all of you, the product in this case. Okay, the product will be there in this case, but HCl is involved into that. Just remember, HCl is involved into that. It will become RN2Cl negative. What you will get over there? Rn2 positive into Cl negative into Cl negative. Hydrogen we are removing from there. Then after that, beta, you have to give the reaction with the water molecule, with the water molecule. Okay, then what you will get over there? You will get ROH plus HCl plus N2. This reaction I can do it for you within a simple way. Okay, you see please all of you. Usually what we are writing, suppose here I am writing C2H5 NH2 plus I am having HONO. Okay, then student, what to do there, or what we are doing? C2H5OH, then there is N2 and H2O. Direct reaction like this we can do. C2H5OH plus N2 plus H2O. Okay student, but the same way we can give the reaction for the primary aromatic amines. What we can give with the primary aromatic amines means benzene के ऊपर क्या है NH2, then plus HCl plus NaNO2. आपको याद होगा बेटा यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा? आई थिंक इट्स अ प्रेपरेशन ऑफ डायजोनियम सॉल्ट. आ गया याद? इट वाज अ प्रेपरेशन ऑफ diazonium salt. N2 positive, Cl negative. This is called benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride plus NaCl, then plus H2O. Clear? Are you getting my point, beta? This one we are forming over there. Benzene diazonium chloride. And student, just remember one thing, if your temperature will be more than 278, means suppose him writing NH2 then HONO, temperature is more than 278, then there will be formation of phenol. Okay, at that case only there will be formation of the phenol. Clear hai? Okay, now after that we are moving towards the secondary amine. What now we are going to do? We are moving towards secondary amines. So whenever we are talking about the secondary amine, you must see all of you, R2NH plus HONO, NaNO2, HCl. There is a removal of water molecule, R2N and double bond. Okay, and water will be removed. This is called nitrosamine. Nitrosamine. Clear? What do you call it? Nitrosamine. Clear? Same way we can give with the aromatic also, with the aromatic ring also, that is NHCH3 plus HONO arrow. There will be formation of okay, I think you know very well how it is formed. Water has been removed from there. Then it is called N-nitroso, N-methyl aniline. aniline. This is called yellow oil. What do you call it? Yellow oil. Okay. और इस एक इसका कलर क्या है? येलो ऑयल कलर इज है. नाउ आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग बेटा. And this yellow oil, nitrosamine, usually gives a green solution when it is warmed or heated with a phenol and concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, and when we are adding water further, then its color will change to the red. But it will change to greenish blue. To violet if we will add sodium hydroxide. Okay, then this overall reaction or test is known as Lieberman's nitroso test. What do you call it? Lieberman, Lieberman's Lieberman's nitroso test. Okay, what do you call it? Lieberman's nitroso test. Clear है? Once again I am येलो ऑयल क्या है आपके पास? येलो ऑयल नाइट्रोसोअमीन will give green solution and when it warmed with the phenol and concentrated sulfuric acid and on dilution with the water it will give red color. What it changes to greenish blue to violet on addition of sodium hydroxide. The test name will be Lieberman's nitroso reaction. Okay student, after that but we can do it for the tertiary amine. All of you see there R3N again HNO2. Okay, now in this case what will be the product? R3NH NO2. Then it will be warmed. Then it will be formed what? Okay, when it will be warmed, then the product will be, ठीक है, क्या बनेगा हमारे पास? सी ऑल ऑफ यू, यहाँ पर क्या है हमारे पास? R3 है ना हमारे पास. अगर इसको मैं आई विल राइट इन अ डिफरेंट वे सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. क्लियर? यू सी इट अगेन प्लीज. आई एम राइटिंग इट डिफरेंट वे. देखो, लेट इट बी NR प्लस क्या है हमारे पास? HNO2 OH then NO. Okay, wow. Now what to do there beta? Or what they are saying? They are saying ROH will be the product, and what is left there? R2NNO. This is left. R2N double bond O and ROH. This is called nitrosamine. What do you call it? This is called nitrosamine. Okay student, is that clear? Okay, same way but we can also take a aromatic amine in case of CH3 Okay, like this way only it is there. then in this case, ठीक है बेटा, क्या करना है देखो, here is the one hydrogen is also there, one hydrogen is aromatic tertiary amine जो हैं, ठीक है, usually they are forming the nitroso compound. Okay, and this will go at the para position, means water will be removed from there, then product will be NCH3 twice NO plus H2 plus H2O, and this is known as para nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline, N, N dimethyl aniline. Clear? This is the product. So beta, the reaction what we have done, okay, this is very important reaction to distinguish between primary, secondary and the tertiary amine. Okay, it's very important to distinguish between primary, secondary and the tertiary amine. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.